Hello, hello, hello. Welcome, welcome, welcome. This is Shay Rippinger of Hip the Hoopla, and you are watching the Hoopla You All Show. So today is a special day. They're all special days. Any day you wake up breathing is a special day. But in this show, we go over health, humor, and hooping. The theme of this show, and also I was just previewing a little hoop tutorial that I'm going to be doing so stick around to the end of the show and we'll be doing that. And I'm going to do a real quick one tonight. So, the theme of this show, we're doing the Be Your Bliss series. So it's hashtag Be Your Bliss. So type in the comments below what brings you bliss. This theme is number 3 of the 4-part series. So we had because, begin, and today is blessings, and then next week will be bliss. We actually get to the bliss part. So blessings is part of the bliss part, though. So blessings is, just a sense of appreciation, sense of gratitude, sense of putting your energy into seeing what's around you that is already good, because there's the law of attraction and the power of positive thinking. All of these kind of things add into this what you notice. So what you notice and focus on, what your energy goes to, is what you get more of. So if you focus on your blessings of not just lack and limitation, but actually the little instances of where in the sidewalk every once in a while there's a little flower growing, and whatever it is, it could be a dandelion, but it's still a flower. So that is the purpose of bringing this up about the blessings, gratitude, the appreciation. I have a friend of mine who works on appreciation, and she calls it appreciation instead of like just gratitude, or and it depends on your perspective of what you call it. The gifts that come into your life, call it whatever you like. I know some people do more on the religious. I don't mean blessings as necessarily being as a religious aspect, but just being blessed, of just being blissed, so that's what I mean by that. So focus on seeing the good helps you see and attract more good. That's my quote for today. So hello to everybody watching. Let me know where you're watching from too. Type in the comments. So the more comments that get out there, the more thumbs up and all that kind of good stuff, the more that social media and the algorithms help send it out to more people. So this is the 92nd episode. So I'm very excited about that. All right. So on health note, many of you know that I've gone through what I call my sugar journey, and it had to do with candida, and even partially, part of that journey was going through cancer, skin cancer, and stuff like that. So part of the sugar journey is trying to get sugar out of the diet. So just got back from a week away, a no guilt week away. I actually didn't do much work. I did a little bit, but anyway, it was an anniversary trip with me and my husband, and we went to Las Vegas, and had a lot of fun, went to shows and ate a lot of stuff and all that kind of good stuff. So in my journey on that, I kind of like went off the wagon of my personal, my personal best. I did pretty good with things, but I was letting breads and things like that get in there. So my little health tip, to get back on the wagon. So let's say you're a carb lover of breads and things like that, especially bagels. There's a really cool thing called and I actually got this idea off of Dr. Oz, and then I saw it over at Trader Joe's. So they might have a version wherever you shop, but everything bagel crunch. So you can put this on things, and it tastes kind of like a bagel. So because it has those things that they put as a bagel topping with the sunflower seeds, the peppercorn, the little garlic, and all that kind of good stuff. It's it's everything bagel crunch. So anyway, that's my little health tip today. Nice and quick and fast. I have a little laughter yoga exercise. So we do health, humor, hooping. So I just covered number 1, which was health. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Oh, this smells so good. Yeah. Even with the girl clothes. Oh, it smells so good. Now I'm really hungry. Okay. My mouth is watering from that. All right. So we're going to do a it's a laughter yoga exercise. So I encourage you to do this with me. So what we're going to do is this is going to be part of this full circle, and that's that hoop move as well. So we're going to incorporate this with that as well. So we're going to take the arms up, and we're going to be going to the side. So I'm going to turn slightly to my left, and I'm going to bring the arms all the way up. Inhale it in, and then fountain laughter it out. And then take it up on the other side. Inhale it in, and then fountain laughter it out. Take it up one more time on each side. Inhale it in. Nice deep breath in, and exhale it out. Laugh it all the way out. And it's a fake it till you make it laughter. So inhale it in one more time on the other side. Through the nose, and exhale through the mouth. Laugh it all the way out. And at the end of laughter yoga exercises, we take our hands together and we go, very good, yay. Very good, yay. So moving right along, doing real quick through there. Yes. Okay, yes. So I'm reading the comments on here. Yes, I was having a hard time connecting too. My darling husband is in one of our 2 new offices on our property and yes, I was having loads of fun trying to get connected, and I'm being facetious when I say loads of fun. So I had to try several times, turn my computer on and off, not enough. Okay, moving right along. So sometimes, but here's the part in that about the blessings, the gratitude. I'm so thankful that we live on a mountaintop, and I get to connect with people worldwide doing this. So I get to live in a high quality of life area, and on a mountaintop in Boise, Idaho, and be able to hoop and be able to have a husband who does all these wonderful things. And, I have lots and lots of blessings. So I could complain about a lot of different things. Lord knows there's lots of things that I could, rant on, but I would be throwing my energy towards that. And so I would rather focus on the good. So focusing on the good, we're going to do a little hand pass in front, and I'll show you a couple variations on this too. So what we're going to do is it's just going to be a circle around, and what I'm going to do is, for the purposes of the camera, I'm going to do it in a very small format so that you see the technique, and then I will give you the variations for how to get really big with this. I'm using a small light hoop, so it's a 5/8 inch Poly Pro, and I'm going to be taking pinky to pinky on an inside grip. So my thumbs are facing out, and my pinkies are facing in together. You can even lock them too. Don't lock them. So, but we're going to be moving the hands. So you're going to take your hoop in a circle, and I'm taking the right hand. I'm releasing the left. I'm bringing the hoop up, and this is all in wall plane. I'm going to re-grip, also inside grip. Now I'm going to be thumb to thumb as the hoop is up. Then I'm bringing it back down, releasing that right hand, and then grabbing pinky to pinky. So up again, thumb to thumb, pinky to pinky, thumb to thumb, pinky to pinky. Now, this might seem really simple, yes? Okay, so now we're going to take this out a little bit bigger now. Thumb to thumb, pinky to pinky. Now, you want to make sure this is in wall plane. So wall plane is if you went right up to the wall and stuck your nose up against it and your whole body was there, you want to try and keep the whole hoop in wall plane. So now some variations on this. We did this as a very close, small, variation. So you can obviously do it in the opposite direction. And then you can also take it in a very big with long arms. Now, if you're in a small space like I am right now, I'm taking the arms and I'm taking them in front of me. But if you're in a bigger space, you can just take them straight to the side. So, like so. Okay. And then you can also take this behind as well. It's a hand pass, so you can take this behind. So this is what it looks like from behind. Around, 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 around. So again, still same thing in the back. Pinky to pinky, and then thumb to thumb at the top. Pinky to pinky at the bottom, thumb to thumb on the top. Okay, so you can do that behind. And of course, with the full circle pass, you can take it on a horizontal plane as well. So we're doing it on a vertical plane here, wall plane. I know this. Sometimes I'll throw techie terms at you so that you get to know a little bit more of the hooping terminology. And so, and then you can take it in a horizontal plane as well. So you can take it around the waist. You can take it, you can bring it the knee up with it. You can bring it underneath the leg. Haha. Try and point the toe if you do that. And do all kinds of variations with this. And of course, you can turn with this too. Now, if you're turning with this, obviously it's going to, you actually will stay in wall plane if you're doing it like so, but your wall plane is going to be changing with this. So, yeah. Okay. So, that is it. I told you it was going to be a short show, and I got through everything. All right. So, I thank you so much for watching. Tune in for the next show. This will probably be the last show in my small temporary office space that has housed me. I'm very thankful. My little 7 by 7 foot, for lack of a better word, closet area. It's not quite closet, but it's our little foyer entry of the back door in our house. And then we'll be reclaiming this area for other things. And my husband will be moving to his office. Actually, he has already moved to his office, most of the stuff. So next week, we'll see. Hopefully, I was supposed to be in there months ago. Both of us were supposed to be in there months ago. But you know what? We're very thankful that we have new offices to go to. And even if it's going slow, that's okay. Everything happens in its right time. So it was more time to prepare and move things over. So thanks so much for joining. We really appreciate it. And I really appreciate it. And yeah, thanks so much for watching. Tune in next week for the fourth part of the series, Be Your Bliss. Bliss will be the theme. Okay, I was just looking ahead to the notes to tease something, so I just realized that I might have done a little something extra today that was supposed to be saved for next week. But anyway, I like just throwing all sorts of good stuff at you. So thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. So please, if you haven't already, go join our email for Hip the Hoopla. Get great tutorials. It's part of the world news. So, and the happy circle, the happy inner circle, and that is at www.hipthehoopla.com, which is HIPTHEHOOPLA.com. You'll get some tutorials, you get news and events and specials and things like that. Don't worry, I don't spam. That's not my style. But anyway, you get a free gift if you sign up, and that is really awesome. If you haven't already, please do like the Hip the Hoopla Facebook page. Follow me on Instagram. I put up tutorial videos, some jam videos, some cool things like that. Inspiration, hoopspiration, all kinds of fun things. And Facebook as well. Hip the Hoopla, guess what? On Facebook. And go hit the thumbs up and make sure you hit your notifications on for when I go live. And then the YouTube channel as well. So revamping everything and making it all bolder, brighter, more content, more information, and more goodness for you in a shorter format. Yes. All right. Rock on. Peace out. Thanks for watching. Bye.